Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia Azhara Jailani with the student ID number 2200010179. Here I will explain two different articles on the impact of the FDI. The first article is article by Dedi Ibrahim Rauf and titled The Impact of the Foreign Direct Investment on Indonesia Economic Growth. Study background foreign direct investment or FDI is viewed as a strategic factor in driving economic growth in developing countries, including Indonesia. FDI not only provides additional capital for development but also plays a role in technology transfer, increasing production capacity and improving business management and efficiency. Although various studies demonstrate the positive impact of FDI on economic growth, debate remains regarding the magnitude of FDI contribution compared to domestic investment and the inequality of benefits across regions and sectors. Therefore, a comprehensive empirical study is needed to assess the influence of FDI on Indonesia's long-term economic growth. Research objective: this study aims to analyze the influence of foreign direct investment or FDI on Indonesia economic growth and to identify the role of supporting and inhibiting macroeconomic factors such as inflation and unemployment in this relationship. Research methodology: this study uses a quantitative approach with panel data regression. The data used is secondary annual data from 2000 to 2003, covering all provinces in Indonesia. The main variables include FDI as the independent variable, economic growth or GDP as the dependent variable, and inflation and the unemployment rate as control variable. The analysis is also complemented by Granger causality test and classical assumption test. Key findings: the results show that FDI has a positive and significant effect on Indonesia economic growth. Increased FDI has been shown to drive GDP growth, particularly through the manufacturing sector. Inflation and the unemployment rate have a negative effect economic growth. Furthermore, the Granger causality test indicates a one-way causal relationship from the FDI to economic growth. The impact of FDI is stronger in Java than outside Java. reflecting the existing disparities in infrastructure and human resource quality. Conclusion: this study concludes that foreign direct investment is an important factor in driving Indonesia's economic growth. However, the benefits of FDI are not evenly distributed across regions and sectors. Therefore, policies that support macroeconomic stability, infrastructure development, and improving the quality of human resources are needed so that FDI can contribute optimally and sustainable to national economic development. And the second article is from Scopus. Foreign direct investment and economic growth evidence from developing countries. First, Abiolachon, Azalea, and Tobeka Chanwa. Background of the study: the relationship between foreign direct investment and economic growth remains a debate in development economics literature. On the one hand, FDI is believed to accelerate growth through technology transfer and increase production efficiency. On the other hand, excessive reliance on the FDI has the potential to create economic vulnerability and structural inequality. Therefore, this study was conducted to empirically evaluate the impact of FDI on economic growth in developing countries. Research objective: this study aims to analyze the influence of FDI on economic growth in developing countries and identify the institutional and macroeconomic factors that moderate this relationship. Research methodology: this study used a quantitative approach using the dynamic panel data regression or GMM method. The data used covers several developing countries over a specific time period, with the main variables being FDI economic growth, trade openness, and macroeconomic stability. Key findings: the results of this study indicate that FDI has a positive effect on economic growth, especially in countries with good institutional quality and a high level of economic openness. However, in countries with weak institutions, the impact of FDI on growth tends to be insignificant. Conclusion: FDI can be a driver of economic growth in developing countries if supported by strong institutional quality and appropriate economic policy. Without such support, the benefits of FDI and economic growth are limited. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.